guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and to our subscribers that's always there, thank you guys so much for watching and thank you for coming back. So for this particular video, it's gonna be an organic garland again, and we'll make clusters of balloon. No particular size on how you inflate your balloons. We'll be using our balloon string or even your yarn, alright, or fishing line. So here's our yarn. I will tie the yarn on our first cluster. I will actually attach this to the very base of our backdrop. Another one. And then we'll follow with white. Just like that. And then we're going in here. Alright, we are ready to attach our balloon right on top. We'll be using a bobby pin. It's a DIY, or you can even have a clip. So I'll put it right here. This is safety pin or bobby pin?
Safety.
Safety pin. So we'll just use our 260 balloon. Add this here. So now put it here and attach your 260 balloon right on your clusters of balloon, just like that. So that will hold your balloon in place. We'll add it on. Alright, so we'll add one big balloon right here. So we'll find one at the end. And then attach or connect using the balloon end. There. So we'll add this one right here. If you find one of the tips right here, and one of your tips on the new garland right here, and just have to tie them together. So we'll add some here. add our filler. Alright, so we have clusters of balloon, attach them together. Yarn. So we'll put this right here. Alright guys, so this is finally done. I hope you like this setup. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel.